Here at the town hall meeting, we have a packed house as supporters have flooded the room.
Texas gubernatorial candidate Beto O'Rourke is making a campaign stop in Grayson County
At the 1906 venue in Whitesboro, Texas.
A packed house to hear Democratic candidate for governor Beto O'Rourke.
People here told me they are ready for a change in government for the state of Texas.
The state is broken. We're not getting anything done for people who need things done.
This is the second time O'Rourke has campaigned in Grayson County.
As part of the gubernatorial candidate's 49-day campaign tour to hold 70 events in more than 65 counties across the state this summer. O'Rourke is emphasizing public school funding, expanding health care.
A recent poll shows a narrow margin between O'Rourke and current Governor Greg Abbott.
Thanks for watching. If you'd like to subscribe, click the link below.